Here in this question we have to find out number of bottles each of capacity 245 ml which can be filled from a can containing 14.7 liters of oil. Okay, 14.7 liter is given, so for that we have to convert it to ml. Okay, 14.7 into 1000, that will give the value in terms of milliliter. Okay, so calculate number of bottles. Number of bottles is equal to, formula is total capacity divided by capacity of one bottle. So here total capacity is 14,700 ml divided by one bottle capacity is 245 ml. So let us do the division. So we'll get the answer 14,700 divided by 245. Okay, by using 6 we can divide it completely. Okay, so here remainder will be 0 and there is 1 0 left, we can keep it as in quotient. So 60 is the answer. So 60 bottles of 245 ml can be filled. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Here in this question we have to convert 127 hours to number of days and number of hours. So as you know, 1 day is equal to 24 hours and here what is given, 127 hours is given, that is equal to, let us take x, okay, and cross multiply. Okay, 24 into x is 24x and 127 into 1 is 127. Okay, so 127 divided by 24. So simply you can divide 127 divided by 24, you will get the answer. So it is 5 days and remainder is 7, that is 7 hours. Okay, 5 days and 7 hours will be the correct answer. Okay, let us move on to the next.
Here as you can see options A, B, C, D, you can see that the denominator in all the cases is same. So that means the given fraction question is like fraction question. So only thing is you have to convert second and third term to their equivalent fraction. Okay, so here, so after converting equivalent fraction, you can see that the denominator in all the cases it is 13. Okay, now add all the fractions. 248 divided by 13 and 84 divided by 13, 171 divided by 13. So let us add. So after adding it will be 503 divided by 13. Option B is the right answer. Let us move on to the here in this question a is equal to 6 is given. Let us replace a with 6 in first and second term. Okay, so after that let us simplify. First term will become 6 divided by 10. Second it is 8 divided by 10 minus 3 divided by 10. So this question is based on like fraction. So 8 plus 4 is 14 minus 3 divided by 10. So 11 by 10 is the answer. Let us move on to the next question. Here this question is based on decimal to fraction conversion. So decimal value is given 0.125. We have to convert it to fraction value. For that we have to multiply 1000 and divided by 1000. So it will become 125 divided by 1000. So let us reduce the fraction to lowest form using HCF method. Okay, so 125 and 1000 can be divided by using 5. Again 25 200 can be divided by 5 and 5 and 40 can be divided by using 5. So it will become 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 is the right option. Okay, so let us move to the next question. Here in this question we have to find out the total number of factors of 36. Okay, let us start from 1. 1 into 36 is 36 and 2 into 18 is equal to 36 and 3 into 12 is 36. Okay, 4 into 9 is equal to 36. There is no factors for 5. 6 into 6 is 36. So we have to stop here only, because if we go further the above factors will repeat. Alright, So let us list the number of factors, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So these are the factors of 36. Okay, if we count, it will be 9. Let us move to the next question. Here in this question, the product of two numbers is given, that is 384. Let us say two numbers are n1 and n2. So product of n1 and n2 is equal to 384. Say one of the number is 16. Let us say n1 is equal to 16. So the other number is n2. So n2 is question mark. Okay. So n2 is equal to 384 divided by n1. Okay. So 384 divided by n1 is 16. Let us divide 384 by 16. So 16 2s and here 16 4s. Alright. So 24 is the answer. Let us move on to the next question. Here in this question, you have to add the given decimal values. Only you have to ensure 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place digits properly. Okay. So last term is 4 into 3.05. So do the normal multiplication and after getting answer, keep the decimal point after 2 digit. Okay. Alright. So let us add this. So you will get 21.755. Let us move to the next. This question is based on decimal to fraction conversion. So two methods can be used to solve this problem. So the easiest method is use the inspection method. That is, given answer can be used to solve the problem. So here option A, divide 195 by 16. So answer is 12.1. So it is wrong answer. Okay. So use the option B, 197 divided by 16 and do the division. Okay. 16 ones and here 16 twos. Okay. So 5, put the decimal point and here 50. Alright. So this is also a wrong answer. Alright. Let us move on to the option C. Here option C is 193 divided by 16. Alright. So 16 twos. Put the decimal point and it is not dividing, so keep 0. Okay. 16 6 and here take 0 again. Okay. 16 twos. We will get 8 as a remainder. Okay. Finally 16 5s. So 12.0625 is the right answer. That is option C. Let us move on to the next question. Here in this question we have to find out the difference between greatest and the smallest 5 digit numbers using digits 2, 1, 9, 0 and 4. So here first one is greatest, second number is smallest. So the difference is 83961. So let us move to the next question. Here this question is based on BODMAS rule. So let us find out the multiplication of 36 into 3, then into 7. Okay. So it is 756. Let us rewrite it. 1 divided by 7, 17 plus 756. Alright. So minus 5 into 10. Alright. So first add 756 and 17. Okay. So it will be 773. So let us rewrite again. 1 divided by 7 and 773 minus 10. Okay. So that is equal to 1 by 7 into 763. Okay. So let us divide it. 7 ones and take 6. It won't divide. So keep 0 and then 7 is 63. So 109 is the right answer. Okay. So option D. Let us move on to the next question. Here this question is based on fraction to decimal conversion. So fraction is given. We have to convert it to decimal value. Fraction is 152 divided by 125. So this is possible by dividing numerator 152 by denominator 125. Okay. 152 by 125 division is in progress. So let us see what will be the answer. Alright. So here final step is in progress. Alright. So it is 1.216 is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. Here in this question, we have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. So length and breadth are given. So we have to only focus on length and breadth, because to find out the perimeter, what we need is length and breadth. Okay. So we no need to focus on diagonal. So perimeter formula is perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So L is equal to 4, B is equal to 3. So 2 into 7 is 14 meter is the right answer. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Here in this question, we have to find out the perimeter of the courtyard. So perimeter of a courtyard is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So length is given 25 meter, but breadth is not given. So that we can find out by using given data. Let us say area of one tile is equal to 20 into 20. Alright, so 20 into 20 is 400 centimeter square. Alright, then next find out the total area of the courtyard. Okay, total area of courtyard is equal to 400 into number of tiles, that is 11,250. Let us multiply it. Alright, so this will give the total area of the courtyard. Alright, so as you know, the formula of area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so we need the breadth, right? So area divided by length. Alright, so substitute the value. Area is 45 and 0,0,0,0,0 and length is 25 meter. So it is given in meter, so we have to write it in centimeter. Okay, so let us divide. Alright, so do the long division. 25 1 ja. Alright, so take the 0 and 25 8 ja 200. So keep 2 zeros as it is. So this value 1800 is the centimeter. So that is equal to 18 meter. So breadth is 18 meter. So at this stage we know the value of length and breadth. Length is 25 meter and breadth is 18 meter. Okay, so here 2 into 43 is equal to 86 meter. Option C is the right answer. Let us move on to the next question. Here in this question, we have to find out the length of the floor of the room in meter. So as you know, the formula of area is equal to length into breadth. So length is equal to area divided by breadth. So here breadth of the room is given. So we have to find out the area. Okay, let us say area of one tile is equal to 15 into 12, that is 180 centimeter square. So total area of the floor is, so total area is equal to area of one tile, that is 180 into 7500 tiles. Okay, so this will give the area of the floor, okay, in terms of centimeter square. Alright, so let us multiply. So this value will be in terms of centimeter square. So at this stage we know the area and the breadth, so we can find out the length. Alright, so let us substitute values. Area, that is 135, 4 zeros, okay, and divided by B. Breadth is given 9 meter, so we have to write it in terms of centimeter, that is 900 centimeter. Alright, so 2 zeros gone, 2 0 gone. So let us divide 135 00 and 9. So actually it is 15 9 135. Alright, so here not 9, it is 15 9. Alright, so keep 2 0 as it is, and here this is in terms of centimeter, so in terms of meter it is 15 meter. So let us move to the next. Here in this question, shopkeeper gained 3/5 of its cost price. So profit is equal to 3/5 of cost price, 3 by 5 into CP. Okay, selling a mobile phone for 6,000. So sell price is given as 6,000 rupees. So the question is, what will be the cost price of the mobile? So you know the formula. profit is equal to sell price minus cost price. Okay, let us substitute profit value 3 by 5 into CP. Alright, sell price is 6000 and keep minus CP as it is. Let us simplify. Alright, so take minus CP on left hand side, it will be plus CP. Alright, let us simplify further. 6000 is equal to 3 CP, okay, plus 5 CP. 5 into CP is 5 CP divided by 5. Okay, so 6000 is equal to 8 CP divided by 5. Let us keep CP on one side and send 8 by 5 on other side. That will become 5 by 8. Okay, so 6000 divided by 8 is equal to 750. Alright, so 750 into 5 is 3750. Alright, let us move to the next question. Here in this question, shopkeeper bought some pencils at the rate of 48 per dozen. Okay, so that is cost price of 1 dozen pencils 48. Okay, so sold them at the rate of 4.50 per pencil. Okay, so one pencil 4.50, so 12 pencil, that is 1 dozen pencil selling price will be 12 into 4.50, that is equal to 54. Okay, as we know cost price and sell price, we can find out the profit. So profit is the question here. Okay, profit is equal to sell price minus cost price. 54 minus 48. Okay, that is equal to 6. Okay, profit is equal to 6 rupees. Let us move to the next question. Here in this question, bar graph shows the number of cars sold. So we have to find out the total number of cars sold in months of January, March and May. So January it is 20,000 and March it is 10,000 and May month it is 15,000. Okay, so we have to find out the total number of cars sold in January, March and May. So total it is 45,000. Okay, let us move to the next question. Here in the given figure, which of the angles are greater than right angle? So we have to find out all the angles which are greater than 90 degree. Okay, so angle 2, 3 and 4 and 5 are greater than 90 degree. Okay, so option D, only 2, 3, 4 and 5 are the greater than 90 degree angles. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Here in this question, we have to measure the angle between the directions of northeast and southeast. So as you know, the angle between north and east quadrant, it will be 90 degree, and the line which exactly divides half, that will become 45 degree, and again the southeast, it will also exactly divides half, and that is also 45. So 45 plus 45 degree angle, it is 90 degree, right? So option B. Thank you for watching.